Today's mantra is about flexibility. The more relaxed, the bigger the smile on your face, and the easier you are to work with, the more likely you're going to attract additional business and make additional sales. It's as simple as that. I am always amazed by people who won't accept an apology for being a few minutes late to the phone or a meeting, or who won't reschedule, or who are just appalled that you asked to show up a few minutes early or even an hour early, and even with the offer to help set up, there won't be any reply. And you know what that tells me? The other person just is not a good match. It's part of the qualifying process. And you're actually lucky when up front you recognize this about the other party. So at the same time, when you're recognizing this about someone else and probably not a good match to continue doing business with or even wanting to earn their business, you want to work with other people who are similar to you, easy to work with, fun to be with, and where you can build quality relationships. So the opposite example was that a couple weeks ago, I spoke to a couple of leaders about an idea I had, and it was nixed because too much town politics would get in the way, and I certainly didn't want that involvement. However, fast forward, I recently went to a convention where at lunchtime it was a buffet, and I asked a person sitting by themselves if I might sit down. And next thing I know, turned out she was hired to unveil a program exactly as the one that I had shared with the leaders a couple weeks before. It was identical. The good news for me was that she was lacking one important piece, which I bring to the table. So we had an in-depth conversation. It was fun, it was lighthearted. She had keen interest in hearing more about what I had to say, and she would remove the politics from me and take care of that herself. It sounded like a match in heaven. I'll report back how this all works out. But that's what I'm trying to tell you. Instead of getting disgruntled or gossiping about somebody wasn't forgiving or accommodating to your needs because they didn't bother to find your perspective on the matter, no, it just isn't a good fit. Save wasted energy and remain in good humor. Find somebody else or another company that is a far better match, and it will become a smooth sale. That's my mantra. My mission is to help you always achieve a smooth sale of your own, and it's about building quality relationships so that your clientele becomes your sales force in essence. Should you like more information about any of this, you'll find it in either of my two books, Nice Girls Do Get the Sale, Relationship Building That Gets Results. It's very highly rated on Amazon's Kindle in sales and marketing. And Hired, How to Use Sales Techniques to Sell Yourself on Interviews, also in paperback and on Kindle, and a bestseller. I'm Eleanor Stutz. Please feel free to email me or call me, 800-704-1499. I really want to reach out and help others coming up behind me. So let me know how I might best assist you. Look forward to talking with you soon.